Hi everybody, Jacob from Children's Museum Houston here. I'm with Ziggy Zeta Summerfield Breyer, who is our Chief Liaison Officer for the 16th District for Early Childhood Relations. This is another one of our Early Childhood Corner episodes sponsored by Catherine G. McGovern and McGovern Foundation. Now this activity is going to be pine cone painting. We're going to paint these up to look like holiday trees. And one of my favorite parts about this activity is that before you even do the activity, you need to go out on a nature walk, go exploring your neighborhood, and looking for pine cones. So this might be a good time to pause the video, go outside with your family, and look for some pine cones to paint. All right, so for this activity, once you have your pine cones from your nature walk, the only other thing you really need is some paint. So you definitely want some green paint. If you want to add some white paint, that's great too. You can get some pom-poms and other decorations to put on it to make it look like a nice little tree. But as long as you got some green paint to paint your pine cones, that's all you need. All right, so all we're gonna do is take our pine cones. Here you go, Ziggy. And we're gonna paint them. You ready, Ziggy? Take your paintbrush. And it's just fun to paint things that are not papered, which is my favorite thing about this activity other than the nature walk aspect. It's good to have a reason to go on a nature walk. And it's also fun to put paintbrushes on objects that you wouldn't normally put paintbrushes on. It kind of gives you those fine motor skills. You're trying to get all the different parts of the pine cone and you get to feel through the brush, and it's just a really great art activity that blends art and nature. So we have a lot of fun. Wow, Ziggy, you're doing a great job on yours. Little tree. And then what I usually do is I try to get a little, I don't have any with me right now, but I try to get a little bit of Play-Doh, and you can put it at the bottom, and that just makes a nice little stand for your tree so that it doesn't fall over so easily. So however you can get it to stand up, that is what you want to do. So this is basically what a finished tree looks like. Then you have to let it dry. I sometimes like to add little white frosted tips to make it look like snow, or little beads and pom-poms to make it look like it has little ornaments on it. And then you can stand it up however you want, like on a piece of Play-Doh or something, or just stand it against your other pine cones here. And then you have nice little green pine cone trees. All right, everyone, that is our pine cone painting activity. I hope you had as much fun as me and Ziggy did. And we will see you next time at Early Childhood Corner. I am Jacob. Again, this is Ziggy, still getting poked by pine cones. Bye, everybody. Say bye-bye, Ziggy. Bye.